Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Tamara Renaye. So as you can see by the title of today's video, this is another hair review. This unit that I am installing, styling, rocking, and all of the things was sent to me from AliGraceHair. This company, I've worked with them multiple times. I really like the quality of their units. Now, with this unit in particular, you guys know how much I preach and tell y'all to always wash your wigs when you receive it. But you see me, as of late, I've been really lazy when it comes to doing that. So this hair, as you can see, will be installed straight out of the package, But you guys know I don't live in wigs, and that's another thing I always preach to y'all. I do not live in my wigs. So yeah, I'm just gonna install this, keep it on for a couple of hours, and then it's coming right off. And I'll probably put it on again tomorrow, depending on if I'm doing anything special or whatever. But anyways, that's besides the point. So all hair details will be down in the description box below. This is a deep wave. I haven't rocked like a deep wave curly unit in a very long time. I usually stick to like curly, you know, like typical curly, but like a deep wave, it's been years. Really love it. So with this, you guys know, like there's nothing new to my installs. I'll be using my EBIN lace spray to help, you know, bring this look together, to help melt the lace, to help keep it in place and all of that. And I'll be using the elastic band that was given in the package to help melting the lace. So yeah, and I didn't even mention, but y'all, this is like a get ready with me kind of thing. So after I install the unit and cut the lace and all of that, I'm just going to go straight into doing my makeup. This makeup is one of my simple type of makeup looks actually. And this look is already on my channel. I will have it linked up, but it's the recent like updated soft glam go-to look of mine. This is the exact look that I did in that video. I just changed a few products, but honestly, it doesn't matter what kind of products you use because it's so easy to achieve this makeup look. All products used will be down in the description box below as always, so do check that out. I'll have it all linked below. And then right after I do my makeup, like, honey, do you see face? Do you see face? Like, my goodness, I did my eyes and my lips off camera, and now we're gonna get back into this hair. It's time to style it. I'll be doing a middle part look, and I'll just be adding some of my Got To Be, is it Got To Be? No, sorry, not Got To Be, my Eco Styler gel, the green one with the olive oil in it. That is my go-to. I'll be using that to help keep the top like right around the hairline and where the parting is. That's what I will be using with an edge brush to help lay that area down. And then to open up these curls and bring them to life and fluff them up, I'll be spraying it with water. I'm going to add some of my hair moisturizer, and I will add some gel, and that will help to keep the curls even more. Do you get me? And honestly, that is it. That's it when it comes to this unit. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, all hair details and all makeup products will be down in the description box below, so check that out. Do give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a video so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at Tamara Renaye and TikTok at Tamara.Renaye. Keep up with me on my blog, girl, at www.tamararenaye.com. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next video, which is going to be popping up real soon. Okay, so that's why you need to be subscribed and hit that notification bell. Okay, love y'all. Bye.